Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Eliana coming to you live from the WHBR studio. Today is Friday, January 19th, 2018. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 27 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 39 and a low of 29, with mostly sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Aisha, Auntie, Darby,
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Blackhawks will play the New York Islanders tomorrow night at 7:30. And the Bulls will play the Atlantic Hawks tomorrow at 4 o'clock. Clubs meeting today are 6th grade band buddies in the band room at 11:45. Today's announcements are sweet treats will be sold during your lunchtime for only $1. Now please watch this PBIS video for the month of January.
Students are talking, but the lecture supervisor says, clean up. But Josie and Aretha continue to talk. Pack up your lunches.
Instead of being disrespectful to the lunch supervisor, please stop and clean up.
Okay, we'll clean up.
And stop talking.
Line up, please. The students put away their lunches and quietly line up. Remember to be
Respectful to the
lunch supervisor.
Now message from Mr. Smelger and Mrs. Ankrum.
Thank you, Eliana. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Happy Friday. Good morning, Mrs. Ankrum. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good.
Great.
We're down a microphone. Are we good? Can you hear me? Just checking. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. Did you know it's National Soup Month?
I did not.
Oh, it is. It's National Soup Month.
I like soup. Do
Yeah,
you?
I do like soup. What's your favorite kind of soup?
Let's go chicken wild rice. What about yours?
I like Italian wedding soup.
Great.
Yeah. You ever had that?
Has the little, yeah, that has the little round.
We call those
like-
meatballs.
No.
Yes.
Don't they have the little,
Meatballs.
but they're like little noodle things.
No, those are meatballs. Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
All right. Anyway.
Great.
Bus 76B, if you are missing your boots and snow pants, we have those here. 72B, I have a water bottle and a Puma lunchbox. I'm not sure what, well, you know what? Let's just check out this
Check
lunch.
it out.
Ooh, a Lunchable. Looks like some sort of a packaged pastry and something else. Anyway,
Yogurt drink.
I'm sure this looks familiar. Come and get it. All right, what do we have today?
We have a lot. So
All right.
we have our teachers who have been framed, or staff members who have been framed. So first off, we have Mrs. Johnson. So we have a lot of fun words to describe her that staff use. So just to name a few, she's calm, patient, thoughtful, supportive, and caring.
All right, and I have Miss Reynolds, and we have hardworking, committed, reflective, kind, just a sample of all of the different words that describe her,
Yep.
according to her colleagues, even better.
And then Miss Zabel is outgoing, hardworking, sweet, happy, energetic, determined, and outgoing.
Very cool.
Awesome.
All right. Be careful with those.
All right, should we pull out our Herbie high
Yeah, and then we have to do some Smetzels, right?
Right, yep.
All right, Herbie, high fives.
Here we go.
We'll go back and
okay,
forth,
no.
yeah.
Okay, good. So I think I have the primary egg. So I'll start. I have Chloe in 113.
I have Rahaf in 203.
David in 112.
Rio in 206.
Grayson in 114.
Kira in 210.
Rukra in, or is that Rudra?
Rudra.
109.
I have, Vaidehi in 206.
Sophia in 109.
Arohi in 207.
Charlie in 110.
Thomas in 205.
Max in 112.
Zach in 211.
Natalie in 110.
Your little sing-song voice.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like Ara? Oh, Arathi in 203.
This is... Not sure?
Oh, you were asking me?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like Charlie.
Charlie in 102.
Thomas again in 205.
Chase in 109.
Oh, look at that again. Another Vaidehi in 206.
Braden in... No, room number... 214.
Yes. Mariella in 204. Dina.
Dina. Okay, Dina in 202.
Thomas, man, you loaded the egg up. Let's see. I'm going to do two more.
Yeah, there are a lot of birthday high fives in here. Probably the most I've ever felt.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I keep getting multiple the same students.
Wow.
Emma in 210.
Aisha in 102.
Little story. I sat next to Emma yesterday during math, and she did a wonderful job.
Awesome.
And my last one will be Abraham in 204.
And my last one is Veronica in 112.
Awesome.
Woohoo! Congratulations.
That's an egg drop.
Egg drop. There
All
you
right.
go.
Thank you.
All right, and then it's Spencer time. Woo! Here we go.
Go ahead.
Okay. Our Spencer winners are, so we're going to announce you today, and you can head to the office and do a little dancing. Isabella in 204.
Alejandra in 114.
Zachariah in 117.
Riley in 206.
Brandon in 205.
You're really getting into this.
Are you not into this?
I'm into this. I'm just not into the voices. Jonathan
voice.
in 115.
And, okay, you say the last one in a fun voice.
What would be a fun voice?
Donald Duck.
Donald Duck!
I don't do impressions. I'll do Miss Ankrum. Ozma in 115.
That was so good! Woo! That was great.
All right. Like every Friday, we're going to have everyone come on. You can stand in front of us. Stand right in front of me. Just don't stand on the frames.
Yeah, just watch
Oh,
right.
Darvion, we want to hear you sing. Misha, you too.
Right here.
Up with Hoover, they love us wherever we go. Up with Hoover, it's the greatest school we know. We work together, we learn together, we're tops in every way. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray. We
Whose school?
know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray.
Hooray. Have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Smelger and Mrs. Ankrum.
You're welcome, Eliana.
Friday's fact is, today is popcorn day. This treat can be caramelized,
Popcorn for everyone.
buttered, or tossed with nuts and chocolate. Popcorn balls at Halloween, popcorn strings at Christmas, and popcorn all year round at the movies. Means America consumes 13 billion quarts of popcorn a year. That's more than any other country in the world. So on Popcorn Day, make sure you have yourself a great big bowl of this delicious treat. That's all for today. This week's broadcast has been brought to you by the Dazzling Dolphins production team. Have a fizzy Friday.